Unboxing of the new Pioneer 360 SC, which means it's super carrier. This is the unboxing of the most versatile model of the brand Imperial Fishing. This is a brand that make boats for many years, so they are very special people for this kind of gear. So here we are to make the unboxing. We are here. We have the two floors, which is this is the inflatable floor, and this is the standard aluminum floor, and this is the box that you will receive in your house or in your facilities when you order this boat. The protection, so you don't cut everything with the knife, so be careful when you unpack this kind of thing. So this is the main package. So here's the boat itself, the other two boxes are the floor. The slat floor is available separately, so you can choose between the inflatable floor or the slat floor for quick and fast setting. So here we have a bag. iBoat bag. As you can see, here is the 360 SC. And I'm not sure what is this, but probably this is a seat for paddling, so the seat is more comfortable. We are making show you a detail of you will have. This is another seat, because this boat, I think it comes with two seats. This is probably one seat. This is another bag, I think. Yes, is the other bag for storage the boat. This is a very important part, which is the technical data for the government things. A detail of the iBoat pop-ups and bait. Here we are, more instruction. You have joined the starter pack. This is probably a starter pack, I'm not sure. Okay, and this is more Imperial stuff since 2003. More than 20 years making boats. These people know what they are doing. So we're gonna unpack more things. This is the more technical data that we will need. This is on, wow, this is a full cover for your boat. Wow, you can see here, this is the aluminum inside, so the rays from the sun don't damage your boat. So this is a full cover. Wow, this is so big. So you can cover, and this is with the name of the new boat. 360 Super Carrier. Very helpful thing. If you are going to trailer your boat, you are going to storage your boat, this is a very handy thing. Wow, we have two of them. Two inflatable tubes for park your boat and bungee ropes with a quick release, so you can quickly left your boat to take the fish or make the movement easily. Two of them, one for the front and one for the back. These people know what they are doing. This is I didn't think this boat will came with all of these things. These are bungee ropes that probably will be attached, that we're going to make it later to the boat. These bungee ropes, they are elastic, act like a safe line for the border of the boat, for the tubes. So if you fall from the boat, you can harm this thing easily. So very good. Also, like, they are bungee ropes, you can attach ropes, more bungee ropes for storage all your gear, for making travels with the gear equipment. We have here the paddles, very nice paddles. You can here see the handle. You don't want to break the back, but to make the video faster, impossible. This thing came from the factory, well packed. So here the two paddles for the boat. They can split, so you can storage them easily in your garage, in your fishing thing place. I like it a lot. The handle, normally they came with a plastic one, like round one, but this thing looks so good. All full black, make cooler. There we have the paddles, another bungee rope left, the other seat. The seats, I think they are made in marine good, so we have no issues with the time, and they will last longer. Here we have the repair kit. Oh, and a spare valve, very important. If you have problems with a valve, you can unscrew them and put a new one, so you have here one left, so one a spare one. It looks nice, a classic valve, so you can unscrew and screw in the material of the boat, in the canvas, if you have any problem. And here you have more spare parts. This is, I'm not sure. I know what is this. I never seen one of these. You know what it is? This is a pressure gauge, so you can check the pressure in your boat very accurately. So you can pump this thing into the tubes, make a turn, and you will know quickly the pressure. You have a puncher. With this one, it's a very handy thing. Wow, it's the first time I see one of these one. It's a very useful thing. Here you have the classic repair kit, which comes with the key for the wrench for the valves, glue, more canvas material like a patch repair kit. So you have, I don't think you will need you will not need this thing, but if you have a very bad day, you probably keep this thing close to you, so you probably will not need it. Wow. It came with a fully pump. Normally the boats came with the floor one, but this thing came with a hand one. Wow, looks nice. Oh, it came with a bungee rope, so you can attach. You see, everything you can attach the whole thing. This is the foot. So you can press. This is the pump. Double action pump. This is the pump that you want, not a single action. Wow, this thing is a professional one. Up to 2 bars, capacity of 2,400 cc's or centimeters cubics. This is this thing pumps like this, this thing goes like this. Wow, if you don't have an electric pump, this is definitely what you will need. Also, I think it's left the 2 handles. They are attached here, and they screw one. And see, you screw one, and you screw the other one. Oh, this set is completely, you don't need anything. This is completely a set. If you receive the boat, oh, it comes with a pressure gauge too. Wow, you have 2 pressure gauges. This is up to 2 bars, 2 kilograms of pressure, which is for the English people maximum 30 psi, pounds per square inch. Okay, so we have here the pump. Very good pump, professional pump. These are the side lockers. This is the front part, the D part. This is a D boat, 85 centimeters of wideness inside. Standard floor. We have here the numbers, or you can order clearly the position of the metal seats, and there you have the rest of the floor. This is the back plate. You can see here you have the last part. This boat doesn't came with the fuel attachment, so probably we will have to make it one and screw 2 plates of aluminum and put a strap for hold the motor tank or the motor fuel tank or your battery. Clean one, made in aluminum, black aluminum. Wow, this is how the boat is this package. Came with this protection, plastic protection. This is one of the most important parts in the boat, which is the backplate. Wow, you see that? This is all aluminum welded. Wow, you see these eye hooks? So you can tug or pull boats or things easily. It's full of attachments and the valves. Oh, these are the famous paddle holders. They are made out fully inox steel. This thing looks indestructible. Very well done job. Very well done job. And this is the plate with the plastic protection plate for the motor mounting and the drain plug. On the floor in the two more sensitive parts, which they take the more rough treatment, and the handles, but logo with more clear yellow, the aluminum floor. And this is the last step of until like that. Boat came with a spare rope, so you can attach easily the anchor or everything for park the boat. So you have here a really nice rope for it. That easy. Here's the boat completely set. The boat came with 2 seats, 2 paddles. This is the bungee ropes that I told you before for safety line. So if you fall from the boat, you can handle easily this part. You can attach and whenever or wherever the holders and the hooks that the boat has. The boat is completely full of hooks. In the future will be a tent available, so you can make the camping into the boat, so you will not have issues for loading all the gear, all the stuff you need to cross the water. Like you can see, these are the 2 paddle holders made out of inox steel. You have here 2 holders for pick the boat easily. The 2 hooking points in the aluminum transom or backplate, so you can hold easily a motor up to 30 horsepower. It's unbelievable, all the perfect welding that the boat has in aluminum for the transom. This is a lighter aluminum plate. It's not fully a plate like a completely plate of aluminum. So in this thing, in this way, the boat is lighter. If you make all completely thick, is heavier. Here you have the drain plug with the two holders for the floor. The downside is for the aluminum standard floor, and this part is for the pan floor that we're going to put it after for show you the complete set. Then you have the two holders for the boat, so you can park and unhook with quick release easily. The boat came with two of them, one for the back side and one for the front side, so you can hook this thing to your anchor, and with the bungee rope you have the completely rubber thing for the and the elastic thing for the waves. So it's a perfect set. You have here another one with another quick release, so you can unhook easily. Towing points, these are with a big patch, so you cannot break it on the front one, so you can pick the boat. This is the back side of the boat. Here you have the keel, very reinforcement, and two very big patch of the floor. This boat has a completely 3-layer floor, so it's very puncture proof. Here you have the keel, here you have the other two parts of the boat that have the more wear during your fishing, and a completely middle side keel. This part is more protected than the other part, because probably when you go to the shore, this part and this part is the part that you crash with the rocks or with the sand or with the stones, and this is really nice. The boat looks very thick. I mean, the canvas looks really thick, really tough. The upside of the boat has single layer, and the bottom part is 3-layer plus the patch upside and the patch downside. So this boat looks very indestructible. very hard. I like it. I would like that this part came to downside like these patches, but these patches with the speed, you have then issues with the speed of the boat, so they make drag during the motor boating or the motor sailing. So it's better that they only patch these two parts, and the other thing is made out 3-layer material in the parts that they really need it. They don't really need the full thing. Only with this side and this side, my other boat, all these sides are completely destructed, and this part is which is more the part that when you go to the shore you crash them. So this is the protection. Only thing is left that I think it should be with the boat is the hooking point for the fuel pump, the fuel tank, so you can attach the tank to the boat, and with the waves, with the jumps, this thing don't fly out. But these two hooking points, they are very handy. Most of the boats should came with this one because you normally pull boats and pull other things, so they are very handy. Doing the unboxing, and we are taking more time because we don't know anything. This is we received this boat this week, and we are doing this one in a Sunday, so we have a good light with weather, and we can show you the completely boat from the beginning and showing you how we see the boat, if we like it, if we don't like it. Like I said, the boat is very good, looks so good. It has many handles, had 2 handles back, 2 in the side, 1 in the front, 2 hooking points, the full boat full of little hooks for the tent or for putting the load. This makes the boat very easy to load. The boat cover, so with this thing you can pull the boat in your trailer easily, and the boat don't get dirty during the trailering, and also for storage the boat. So this is a really nice feature that most of the boat they don't come with it. So it has protection from the X-ray, from the sun. So very good feature. The new Pioneer Super Carrier, perfectly stable. So this is the Imperial iBoat 360 Pioneer SC, what means super carrier. This is the fully set. We have here everything that you will have in the package when you order it, and you can order the second floor, slab floor or inflatable floor for a quick setting of the boat. So this is the boat. I hope you like it. Give us your thumbs up, give us your thoughts, comment in the video. Thank you and see you soon.